Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can archive all chats on Qwenlm AI. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. After you are in your browser, search for Qwenlm and navigate to its website. After you are in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. In the top left corner, you can see the chats icon, tap on it. Here you can see all chats option, tap on it. You can see all the chats you have had before. If you want to archive all these chats, in the home page you can see this profile icon at the top right corner, tap on it. Select the settings option from here. The settings menu will appear. Head over to this chats tab, and in this tab you can see this archive all chats option. You can simply tap on it and it will ask you, are you sure? Tap on this tick mark and there you go. That's how you can archive all chats on Qwenlm AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.